In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors using Canva. Imagine being able to give your images a fresh, eye-catching twist by simply swapping their colors. Whether you're working on a creative project or aiming to bring new life to your visuals, inverting colors can be a powerful tool in your design arsenal. Let's dive in. First up, we need to head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up. However, if you're already a member, just find that familiar login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Canva provides several convenient ways to log in. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or simply enter your email. This flexibility allows you to quickly access your designs without any hassle. Once you're logged in, it's time to get creative. You can start fresh by creating a new design. Just click on that Create a Design button, and you're set to begin from scratch with a blank canvas. Alternatively, if you already have a design in progress that you want to edit, navigate to it by going to your projects. This could be anything from a presentation, social media graphic, or maybe a photo collage. Now focus on selecting the image within your design that you wish to invert. Click on it so that it's highlighted. This will activate Canva's editing features tailored to your chosen image. With the image selected, look for the Edit Image option. You'll find this on the top toolbar. Inside Edit Image, there's a treasure trove of effects waiting for you. Next, let's peel back some more layers. Scroll through the editing options until you find Effects. This is where the magic happens. Within the Effects menu, select Duotone. Duotone is a creative tool in Canva that allows you to recolor your image by applying two contrasting colors. It's perfect for inverting because it adjusts both the light and dark aspects of your image. Canva doesn't stop there. It offers a variety of duotone presets designed specifically to make inverting effortless. You can explore these presets to find an option that fits your design vision best. By selecting a duotone preset, you swap the light and dark tones of your image, creating a striking effect that can enhance the mood or message of your design. And there you have it, you've just inverted colors in Canva with ease. This technique not only enriches your design, but also opens new possibilities for creativity. Remember, design is an art, and tools like Canva are there to make your expressive visions come to life. Try experimenting with different presets and see how they transform your images. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.